Hello students and welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we will be solving a model maths paper for Goa Board second internal test. So you can use this as a practice paper to understand how questions will come and how to answer them. It's a 1 hour paper, 20 marks. Chapters that are covered in setting this paper are real numbers, trigonometry, probability and areas related to circle. There's 4 marks for real numbers and probabilities each, and 7 marks for trigonometry and 5 marks for areas related to circle. Every question will have 4 choices A, B, C and D. Only one of them is going to be correct. You need to select one that you feel is the most appropriate from the choices that are given. So let's begin. The first question says the product of two numbers is 3920. If their HCF is 14, then their LCM is one of these choices. To solve this, we use this HCF into LCM. The product of HCF into LCM gives us the product of the other two numbers. So the product of two numbers we have already been given as 3920. And we have also been given HCF as 14. So instead of HCF, we're going to put 14 here into LCM equal to 3920. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, carry 4 to 42, 7 6 are 42, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0. That means LCM is equal to 280. So our correct choice is D, 280. Question 2. If cos A equal to half, then angle A equal to, the choices given are here. So cos A is equal to half. But we also know that cos of 60 degrees is also half. Okay. So cos of A is equal to cos of 60 degrees. In other words, if we cancel this, we get A equal to 60 degrees. Our correct choice is C, 60 degrees. Next question. If sin A equal to 3 upon 5, then the value of cot A equal to dash. Here are the choices. So sin A equal to 3 upon 5. We know sin is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. So we need to find the base. And to find the base using Pythagoras theorem is this way. Square of the base is equal to square of the hypotenuse minus square of the perpendicular. Hypotenuse is, according to this, hypotenuse perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So hypotenuse will substitute here, 5 whole square minus 3 whole square. This will get 5 whole square is 25 minus 3 whole square is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. Which means B will be equal to 4. We need cot A. Okay. So cot is equal to base upon perpendicular. Base is 4, perpendicular is 3. Okay. So our correct choice is A, 4 upon 3. Next question. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. The probability that it will be a king is dash. Choices are given here. So we have a card. We are asked to finding the probability of a king. We know there are 4 kings in a pack of 52 cards. 4 upon 52. So 4 1s are 4, 4 13s are 52. We get 1 upon 13 as our answer, and that would be A once again. Next, fifth question. The circumferences of two concentric circles are 8 pi and 6 pi centimeters. 8 pi centimeters and 6 pi centimeter. Therefore, the distance between their radii is dash centimeter. Choices are 48, 14, 2 and 1. So circumferences of two concentric circles are given. We'll take one circle circumference as circumference 1, C1, and that is given as 8 pi centimeter. So that is circumference of one circle, and the circumference of the other circle will take as C2, which is equal to 6 pi. Okay, I'm going to cancel out, just going to leave 6 pi and 8 pi over here. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. So I'm going to take it as 2 pi r1 equal to 8 pi. Similarly over here, we will take it as 2 pi r2. So r2 is the radius of the second circle and r1 is the radius of the first circle, equal to 6 pi. Pi and pi cancels, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. We get r1 equal to 4. Similarly over here, pi and pi cancels, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. We get r2 equal to 3. So this is the radius, so we get r1 equal to 4 centimeters, r2 equal to 3 centimeters. We are asked to find the distance between their radii. So the distance will be the radii, will be the difference between the two. So distance between the two radii equal to r1 minus r2. That would be 4 minus 3 equal to 1 centimeter. Our correct choice is D, that is 1. Question 6. If sec x equal to cosec x, then the value of x is dash. These are the choices. So sec x equal to cosec x. I'm going to write it again. Now when is sec going to be equal to cosec? Okay. So if we look at sec of 45, sec of 45 degrees is root 2 and cosec of 45 degrees is also root 2. This is the special case where sec of a particular angle is equal to cosec of the same angle. Okay, so sec of 45 degrees is equal to cosec of 45. If we compare this to this, the x is replaced by 45. So that is why the value of x we can say is equal to 45 degrees, and that would be the correct choice would be C, that is 45 degrees. Next question. The LCM of the numbers 147 and 126 is dash. So we'll have to remove the factors first. 147 and 126. 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7, 7 into 3 is 21, 3 ones are 3. Here, let's see what we get. 7 I'll take once again, 7 ones are 7, carry 5, 5 56, 7 eights are 56, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, 2 ones are 2. So we'll write them down over here. That is 147 equal to 7 into 7 into 3, and 126 is equal to 7 into 3 into 3 into 2. What is common between the two? 7 and 7 and 3 and 3. So we write them down first. So we need to find the LCM over here. We write what is common first, 7 into 3, and then we write whatever is left. Is this one, 7 into 3 into 2. And if we go to find the value of this will come to 882. That is C. That is our correct option for this question. Next question. If triangle ABC is right angled at C, then the ratio of the sides for sec A is AC upon AB or AB upon AC or AB upon BC or BC upon AC. To find out what it is for sec A, we will have to first draw the right angle triangle. We will just draw a rough one over here. And it says right angled at C. So I'm going to take this here. And it's ABC, right? So I'm going to put A over here, B and C. We need to find sec A. So for angle A, the perpendicular will be this one, and base will be AC, and the hypotenuse will be AB. Okay, perpendicular is BC. Sec A is going to be hypotenuse upon base. If the hypotenuse is AB and base is AC. So this way the correct choice is B, says AB upon AC. Next, The probability of an impossible event. Okay, we don't have to look at everything. We should know that the probability of an impossible event is 0. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So because we know the probability of an event that is certain to happen, that is sure to happen, is 1. Okay, and probabilities can not be less than 1. Okay, and cannot be more than cannot be more than 1, and definitely this is ruled out over here. So probability of an impossible event is 0, remember, and the probability of an event that is sure or certain to happen is 1. Let's move to the next question. If 2 sine A minus 1 equal to 0, then the value of cosec A is dash. Choices are here, so let's write it down again. 2 sine A minus 1 equal to 0. You can write this as 2 sine A and take that minus 1 on the other side, it will become equal to positive 1. And since this is 2 sine A, that means 2 is multiplied into sine A. If I take 2 on the other side, it will get divided. So sine A will be equal to half. We also know that sine of 30 degrees is also equal to half. That tells us that sine A should be equal to sine of 30 degrees. In other words, A should be equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so if you take cosec of 30 degrees, sine of 30 degrees is half. So cosec of 30 degrees is 2. And there's another way to do this, even if you don't find out the degrees. It's just that sine A equal to half, right? So we know that cosec of A should be equal to 1 upon sine A. That would be equal to 1 upon half, and that should come to 2 as well. Okay, so anyways, the correct answer is, whichever way you get the answer should come as 2, the correct choice being B. Next question. In a circle of radius 21 cm, an arc of length 22 cm subtends an angle M at the center. If pi equal to 22 upon 7, then the measure of angle M is dash. Okay, so the length of arc is given over here. So we'll take the length of arc, that is equal to 22 centimeters. What else have we given? We have been given that a radius is equal to 21 centimeters. We are given that pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So we use the length of arc formula here. The length of arc would be equal to theta upon 180 into pi r. Length of arc is given here as 22. Theta is what we need to find out. We need to find the angle, 180 degrees here also, and pi we are asked to take 22 upon 7. We'll do that. And radius is given as 21 centimeters. So this 22 and this 22 will cancel. 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. This 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 0. If we take the 60 on top, we'll get theta equal to 60 degrees. In other words, angle M should be equal to 60 degrees. Correct choice is B. The prime factorization of 1386 is dash. We have been given the factors. Let's factor and find out for ourselves what are the factors. 1386, 7 ones are 7, carry 6, 6, 8, 7 9s are 63, carry 5, 56, 7 8s are 56. Next, we'll take 11, 11 ones are 11, carry 8, 88, so 11 8s are 88. 3 into 6 is 18, 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so 1386 can be written as equal to 7 into 11 into 3 into 3 into 2. If we rearrange this as per what we've been given over here, then it would be, we can write this equal to 2 into 3 square into 7 into 11, which matches choice B. So B is the correct choice. Next question. Two concentric circles have their diameters as 16 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Therefore, the width of the ring is dash centimeter. Choices are given here. 2, 4, 14 or 28. So diameter 1 is given as 16 centimeters. This implies that radius 1 should be equal to 8 centimeters. Similarly, diameter 2 is given as 12 centimeters, which means this radius should be equal to 6 centimeters. Width of the ring. So if we take two concentric circles this way, okay, to find the width we only need to know this much part. Okay, so to find out this much part we need to know from length from this center this is, and also the length from here to here, because from here to here will be equal to from here to here. Okay, so this whole thing minus this will give us this particular length. So we don't need the entire diameter. That's why we remove the radius. So the width, write it here, width of the ring equal to R1 minus, I'll take this R2, R1 minus R2. That is 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2 centimeters. So the correct choice is A, that is 2. Question 14. If the longest chord of a circle is 16.8 centimeters, then the radius of the circle is dash centimeters. The longest chord of a circle is equal to the diameter of the circle. So if you take a circle like this, and this is the center, this is a chord, okay, and this is also a diameter because it is passing through the center of the circle. So if this full thing is 16.8, then the radius is going to be half of that. So diameter is 16.8. So radius is going to be diameter upon 2, which is 16.8 upon 2, which is equal to 8.4. The correct choice is B. Next question. The decimal expansion of a rational number is always, the choices given are non-terminating, non-terminating and non-repeated, terminating or non-terminating, repeated, none of the above. Now, for any decimal expansion, for a number to be called as a rational number, okay, the thing is, first of all, it should either be terminating, okay, that means we should get the remainder as 0. If you're not getting the remainder as 0, at least we should get the quotient should be repeating. Okay, so our correct choice would be C, terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Okay, so this is our correct choice, C. A box contains 3 blue balls, 2 white balls and 4 red balls. If a ball is drawn at random from the box, the probability of getting a white ball is dash. These are the choices. The probability of a white ball will be how much? How many white balls are there? Just 2 white balls. So 2 white balls. And how many totally? Totally how many balls are there? 3 blue balls plus 2 white balls, that is 5, plus 4 red balls, that is 9. Okay. So that would be upon 9. So the correct answer is probability of a white ball is 2 upon 9. The correct choice would be A in this, for this question. Next question. The value of sine square 70 degrees plus sine square 20 degrees minus 2 cos square 90 degrees is, choices given are 1, 0, minus 1 or minus 3. Let's find out. Write it down again. Sine square 70 degrees plus sine square 20 degrees minus 2 cos square 90 degrees, which is equal to, you can write sine square 70 degrees as sine square 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. So 90 minus 20 is 7, gives us 70. Plus, I'll leave this the way it is, sine square 20 degrees minus 2 into cos square 90 degrees. Now cos of 90 is how much? Sine of 90 is 1. But cos of 90 is 0, so 0 whole square equal to, so this we can take the complementary angle of this. So sine of 90 degrees minus 20 degrees should give us cos of 20 degrees. Because there is a square, we'll put as cos square 20 degrees plus sine square 20 degrees, and this would be 0. 2 into anything is 2 into anything into 0 is 0. So cos square 20 plus sin square 20 is equal to 1. So the correct answer would be A1. Now 18th question, the area of a quadrant of a circle of diameter 28 cm is dash. We need to take pi equal to 22 upon 7. Choices are 616 square centimeter, 154 square centimeters, 250 square centimeter, or 308 square centimeters. Let's find out. So area of quadrant of a circle is given by 1 upon 4 pi r square. So pi r square is the area of a circle. Quadrant means 1 upon 4. Diameter is given as 28, which implies that radius is going to be 14 centimeter. Let's put this value here. So area I'll take equal to 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square. So r is 14. So 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Okay. So we get 11 into 14, which is equal to 154 square centimeters. So correct choice is B, 154 square centimeter. Next question. The simplified form of square root of 1 minus cos square A is dash. The choices given are sin square A, cos square A, cos A, or sin A. Let's find out. Square root of 1 minus cos square A. So square root can be written equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A from our identity. The square root of sin square A can be is sin A. So the correct choice is D, sin A. Finally, we come to the final question. The HCF of 84 and 108 is dash. Choices are 4, 12, 756, 9072. Let's find out. Let's remove the factors first. 84 and 108. So 7 12s are 84, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So HCF, we'll write down the factors first. 84 equal to 7 into 3 into 2 into 2, and 108 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So first we'll look at what is common. So 2 and 2 are common, another 2 and 2 are common, and 1 3 and 3 are common. That's it, nothing more common. So you can say HCF is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Correct choice is B, 12. Okay. So with this we finish with solving of this paper. A paper like this will come for 20 marks, and you can also use this as a precursor for your board exam, which will include these 4 chapters and questions like this. This is applicable for both level 1 and level 2 students. I hope you found it easy to follow what was done in this video. And if you like watching this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Share this with your friends as well as your classmates. They will also benefit like you have by watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel so far, please do subscribe, because more such videos will keep coming, which will help you in getting great marks for your class 10 examination. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.